What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, to another video. It's the 2nd of December, heading into the end of 2023. We're taking a look this morning at XRP, Bitcoin, and we might look over at the US stock market, or I'm not quite sure yet if I'll make another video on that specifically. But XRP currently 61,510 is the price, up 0.34%, slightly off the highs for this trading session on the 2nd of December. Bitcoin, on the other hand, actually had a nice close and continues to inch higher. Take a look at that before the end of this video. So just going to be a quick update here this Saturday morning at 13 after 5 o'clock on the East Coast. So we still have the higher low, which took place on the 27th of November for XRP. We have been inching higher. We are above our 61,060 level. So our next level to look for as the market continues higher here, assuming it does, will be 63,120. That's this white line right here. So we really have to get 1 to that, 2 above 63,740, which is this white line on the chart, and that'll put us into another higher high. Right now we have a, let me get the drawing tool here. So we have this move lower here and our low. We did actually get a higher high. We closed lower though, but we did get a higher low right here on the 27th. And we're looking for that higher high. And what I mean by looking for that is when we get the higher high, it gives us the confidence and it confirms that we do have a change back in trend. And that would be to the upside. Right now, we could still roll over and the trend could continue down. So we want to see the confirmation of the higher high. Now, it all depends on what you're looking for or how you're investing or holding or whatever you decided XRP means to you. I'm talking from the perspective, if you were looking to get long, of course, you could argue that buying lower is better than waiting for the market to print a higher high, of course. But I think the odds start to lean in your favor when you wait to see strength in the market, then just continuing to buy on weakness, because market can continue to just go lower and lower and lower. So anyways, looking for a higher high. We have the higher low, looking for that higher high, and that really is until we get to 63,740 area on the charts. This is a daily chart for XRP. That price is right up here. This is the Bitstamp data, XRP/US dollar. So we'll see. Let's jump over to BTC USD. So it's Bitcoin / the US dollar, and Coinbase will be this chart here. We did get a close above 38,601.89. That's this yellow line on the chart. And we're kind of quiet right now. So we'll see if this market can hold, or does it pull back below that level. I don't know what'll happen, but I'm just watching that level and we're getting the reaction that we should at that level. Quick recap from the past 2 videos. We got some baggage over the market here. It's definitely putting a lot of weight on Bitcoin's shoulders here. But like we saw back in here, when we get up to a resistance level, eventually it will break into that and continue its uptrend. And the question is, are we at that point now? If so, rest of the crypto market will benefit. So we'll see what happens. The NASDAQ, let's jump over to the US stock market real quick. The NASDAQ appears to have topped out for now. And when I say appears, it obviously has. It hasn't put in a new recent high, but the S&P did yesterday. So the NASDAQ might be done its run for now. The S&P is probably very close. So once those markets start to roll over, if they do, they're in a very strong trend higher right now, so they might not. But if they do, that could benefit crypto, and then money will flow into crypto, Bitcoin will continue higher, XRP, etc. If the markets don't do that, right, the NASDAQ might just be in a couple-day pause here and then put in a big move next week. Then I would imagine cryptocurrency will probably kind of struggle here for a bit. It's not black and white. Sometimes they move together, sometimes they don't. So this move is similar, although I do think it started before. I didn't check dates, so don't hold me to that. That move is pretty similar to what we have seen right here, although this looks very, very good. But again, we're getting to that zone there where it's either going to blast higher or it's going to roll over. So that's that. We'll do another video on the NASDAQ and the S&P. So XRP, guys, 61,469, BTC, Bitcoin, 38,786.02. A lot of people have been holding these things for many, many years, if not longer. Just the way it is. The way it is. But Bitcoin is looking good. XRP is getting ready and does look good. And we'll see if we get that higher high. Guys, have a great weekend. Check out my woodworking channel, link down in the video description. All right, take care.